Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today I want to show you this hanger rack that this brand sent to me for this video, which I gotta say that if you have a store, if you have a walk-in closet, or just if you actually lack of a space, this one could be really good just to put all your clothes in here. It holds about 450 pounds of weight, so that's actually quite amount, kind of like a really big amount of weight, just judging by the size of this one, because it's not super big, It's actually really kind of like bulky and not flimsy at all, but it's not really big. It's actually about 63 inches wide by 64 or 68 inches tall, because you can actually adjust this right here. You're gonna have a click, so with this one you can adjust kind of like the height right here with this knobs over here, and just make it to be taller or smaller if you also want for like a shorter person. But the good thing about this one is not only that it's really easy to assemble, but also comes with locks. So now the locks are on, so it's not really easy to actually use the wheels, but now they're off, so you can see how this one rolls over without any issues. But again, the assemble process of this one, it is really simple. You don't have to screw anything, you don't need tools, just a click, clock, and clack, and that's gonna be it. Let me show you something else. So the other thing that I like is that bottom part over there, that you can remove this ones if you want. So you can actually remove them if you have to or something like that. But if not, you can see that those are gonna be really good for like shoes. You can put shoe boxes, or it can be like a shoe rack. And by the way, these are the locks over here, so you can see those locks. You can see how easy this one actually rolls on any surface. But again, having the chance to put this one lower or taller, if you need, from the 64 to the 68 inches, is also really good, besides having a shoe rack on the bottom. But yeah, bottom line, if you need an easy to assemble, reliable, and convenient hanger rack for your clothes, your pants, your shirts, your coats, or anything, this one, take a look, because besides being super easy to assemble, holds a really good amount of weight, and it looks really fine as well at the 63 inches by 68 or 64, depending the kind of like the highest you want it.